Ajay the Lion and Tarzans. And I'm concerned about climate change because I live in an environment that has been devastated by oil business. Precisely Shell operate in Ogoniland alongside with other multinational corporations, the Chevron that operates in my environment. And the devastation has been huge. Gas have been flared 24 hours a day for 30 years in my environment without any effort to reduce it, and nothing is given back. And when the soot emitted from flaring falls, it comes like an acid rain. And the effect on our environment have been huge. The effect on our health have been huge. The devastation has been immense. The place is getting so dry. A place that used to be a food basket is now becoming a people that buy food. So the effect have been huge. And if we do nothing now, then there is no future at all for the future generation of Ogoni. I grew up at a period when there were so much to eat, so much fishes, there were so many of seafood. All those things have gone extinct. Right now, as I speak, the foods that women pick and sell to make money is gone. The rich delicacies that we eat is gone. The mushroom we pick from the field is no more. Where are we heading to? So we must fight it. It's a devil.